Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain you how you can add your Wise account to Amazon. So let's jump right into it. First, open the Amazon website or app and log into your account. Then, go to the section where you manage your payment methods. This is usually under Your Account and then Payment Options or Wallet. Next, choose to add a new bank account. Here, you'll need to enter your Wise account details. Make sure you have your Wise account number and routing number ready. These can be found in your Wise app under the currency balance you want to link. Carefully enter the account number and routing number exactly as shown in Wise. Double-check the details to avoid any mistakes, because incorrect info can cause payment issues. After entering the details, save the new payment method. Finally, set your Wise account as your preferred payment option if you want it to be your main way to pay on Amazon. That's it, your Wise account is now linked to your Amazon account, making it easy to pay using Wise.